at Ward Village here at Ward Warehouse. We still have more entertainment for you, but mahalo, mahalo, mahalo for continuing to support Honolulu Nights, and we hope to see you yet again. Do we have a date set for January? Do we have a date set for January? It's the third, gonna be the third Wednesday, yes? Third Wednesday in January. So we shall see you, all of you, back down on the other side, that Kukuluai.
Very nice, very nice. I believe they're ready. So are you folks ready for some more great music? Yeah! They just put together a collaborative effort, a holiday CD called A Gift of the Heart. And it's available for you as well at Lambia, so... Oh, shot. If you guys are ready, please, a warm welcome back to the stage, Kupawa and Mark Yamanaka.
Good job.